Hello everyone, I am Ravi Prakash Tripathi and I am alumnus of IIT Kanpur, just graduated in 2020. My department was Aerospace Engineering in IIT Kanpur. So the purpose of this video is to aware students about internship. So in this video you will know what internship is, what are its benefits and where to get an internship. Along with these things, I will share you my experiences as well which I gained during my internship. So this video will be useful for all branches of study, whether you are doing graduation in arts, science, commerce or any technology streams. So let's get started. So the first question arises, what is internship? So basically when a student along with his regular studies takes out time to work in an organization which may be private, governmental, non-governmental, small or big, to gain a valuable work experience and to get exposure to real life and also to see how his or her bookish knowledge is applicable in the real scenario, then this is called internship. So after understanding what is internship, the second question arises, why to do internship? So there are many benefits of doing internship. First thing is that you will get better understanding of what you have studied in your classroom. Like you will understand how your classroom knowledge is applicable in real scenario and how the real life is different from what you have studied in your books. So this will increase your interest in your study and hence it is advised that you start internship as early as possible, even if you are in first year of your graduation and even if this is not compulsory in your curriculum. Now the second benefit is that you will get a valuable work experience by working on a real life project. So this will add a value to your resume. Now the third benefit is that you will get better understanding of your career, like working on a project in your chosen field. You will get to know that whether this type of job suits you or not, or do you need to change your chosen field or not. So you will plan your career ahead. The fourth benefit is that you will make yourself more employable in the job market. Like it has been found that undergrads who have done internship are more liked by recruiters as they require less training and they can handle more responsibilities because they have already gotten exposure during their internship. That's why they are liked more by employers. Now the fifth benefit is that internship helps you in refining and fine-tuning your skills. So by working on a real project, you will see how your skills are applied in a real scenario and what new skills you need to learn. Now the last but not the least benefit is that you will increase your network. Like you will know the professional under which you have worked. So in future if you need job, you can take reference from them or they can directly land you a job. So this networking is very important thing that you will gain during internship. So in a nutshell, this helps you in gainfully utilizing your spare time. It helps you deciding what you like or what and what you don't, and what type of job you should look in future, and what to study in further education, and in current education what skills you need to develop or fine tune. So it is a very good exposure in life. Now coming to my experiences. So in my first year summer, I joined a project in a robotics club of IIT Kanpur. So there I gained basic understanding of robotics and get inspired by that. I joined a long-term project in the upcoming semester in the robotics club itself. So in that project I work in my part-time and gain the understanding of time management there, and also got deep knowledge of robotics by working on that project. Now in second year summer, I joined a research project under a professor, and I worked with PhD scholars and get idea of how the research work is done in universities. And the same project I continued in my upcoming semester. In my third year summer, I did internship in Boeing through Boeing externship program, and there I worked on a data science project. I liked that project very much, and inspired by that, I did my BTech project in machine learning with its application in fluid mechanics. So from there, I got clarity that I like to work as a data scientist, and the same thing came true when I got placed in a real estate company which has a profile of data scientist. I understand that many colleges don't have that facilities that I got in IIT Kanpur, but you definitely have places, organizations, institutions near you where you can do internship and gain a valuable work experience. For your reference, I have made a presentation of 20 to 25 slides, and link of which I will attach in description. So please go through that slides. I have given my contact details as well. So if you have any doubt and need clarification, feel free to contact me. I will be there for you to help you and clarify your doubts. I have given 2 contact numbers in slide. So if you want career guidance and want to know what to study, you can contact on second number. So bye bye guys and take care.